as we were reading about nouns. So we have already read about nouns. So once again I am going to recall you what is noun. Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. What is noun? Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. That is called noun. So as we were reading about spatial names. What is the spatial names? And why it is important? Why it is important? Okay. Why everyone have a special name? Okay. So, to understand easily and to identify the things, animal, person and place easily, everyone have a special name. If there is no special name of any person, any place or any animal, anything, then we cannot identify easily. What about is saying to be? किसके बारे में बात की जा रही है? अगर स्पेशल नेम ना हो, एक पर्टिकुलर नेम ना हो, तो हम कैसे समझ पाएंगे कि किसके बारे में बात की जा रही है? ओके, सो व्हाट इज द स्पेशल नेम्स? स्पेशल नेम्स द स्पेशल नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल or thing. That is called special name. And special name always begins with a capital letter. Okay? Special name always begin with a capital letter. Okay? So we have already read about the special name of persons, places, animals or thing. But today we will learn more about persons and places. Okay? Today we will learn more about persons and places. Okay? How can we identify that is a special name? How can we understand that is a special name? Okay? So, your father and mother have named you a special. Okay? May Aditya is here. Okay, may Anshul is here. May Mini is here. Okay, so your parents have named you. Why? Because they can call you very easily. If they want to conversation with you, if they want to talk with you, then they can talk with you easily. If they want to say something with you, so they can say something easily with you. Okay, अगर मान लो वो आपसे कुछ कहना चाहते हैं, आपसे बात करना चाहते हैं, बातचीत करना चाहते हैं, so how they can do it? Without your special name? Okay, so special name is necessary. Okay, each and every one has a special name. Why? Because we can understand very easily, we can talk about them very easily. हम उसके बारे में बात कर सके, हम उसके बारे में समझ सके. So today we will practice with some special names of persons and places. So first you look, students. There is a picture on the blackboard. Okay. So just I am going to show you. Okay. See, this is the picture of Mahatma Gandhi. Whose picture is this? This is the picture of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is also known as Father of Nation. Okay, आपको पता है महात्मा गांधी बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट, बहुत ही फेमस पर्सन थे. ओके, और उन्हें फादर ऑफ नेशन भी कहा जाता है. So these are our great leaders and they have also a special name, so they also comes in special names categories. Okay, so Mahatma Gandhi is also a special name, and he is also known as father of nation. Okay, and everyone called him also Bapu. Okay, इनको बापू भी कहा जाता है. Now, second one is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So this is the picture of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So it's also a special name. And one thing I want to tell you about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of our country. हमारी कंट्री के, यानी हम जिस कंट्री में रहते हैं, हम कौन सी कंट्री में रहते हैं? इंडिया में. ओके, हम कौन सी कंट्री में रहते हैं? इंडिया में. तो हमारी कंट्री के फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू थे. एंड नाउ दिस टाइम, yes, Mr. Narendra Modi is Prime Minister. Okay, so Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, it is also a special name. Lal Bahadur Shastri, it is also a special name. Indira Gandhi, it is also a special name. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, it is also a special name. Okay, Abul Kalam Azad, this is also a special name. Okay, now Sarojini Naidu, it is also a special name. Rabindranath Tagore, it is also a special name. So these are also special names. Why? Because each and every leader has a name. So these are called special names. So what you have learned, students? First we have learned about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is a special name, and he is also known as, yes, father of nation, and people call him Bapu. लोग इन्हें बापू भी कहते हैं. Now this is your GK question, so listen carefully. Okay, so now Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, it is also a special name, and he was the first prime minister of India, और वो हमारे इंडिया के फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर थे. नरेंद्र मोदी, it is also a special name, and now this time he is the prime minister of India. वो अभी जो है प्राइम मिनिस्टर है इंडिया के. इंदिरा गांधी, it is also a special name. Okay, and Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, it is also a special name. Your name, it is also a special name. My name, it is also a special name. Okay, so these are the persons, their name is called special names. Now I am writing down on the blackboard their name. Okay, so now first I am writing down your name. I think your name is Ankit. So Ankit is also a special name, and he is a person. Okay. Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi, she is a woman, and she has also particular name, a special name. So Indira Gandhi is also a special name. Mahatma Gandhi, I told to you, Mahatma Gandhi. So Mahatma Gandhi is also known as, yes, he is also known as father of nation. Okay, father of nation. He is also known as father of nation. Okay, महात्मा गांधी को हम फादर ऑफ नेशन के भी नाम से जानते हैं, एंड एवरीवन कॉल्ड हिम बापू आल्सो. ओके, सभी को इनको क्या कहते हैं? बापू ही कहते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज योर. Okay, so Indira Gandhi, she is a woman, and it is also a special name. Now next, Mahatma Gandhi. As I told to you about Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi is also known as father of nation. Okay, so this is your GK question. Learn it. Okay, father of नेशन, इन्हें फादर ऑफ नेशन भी कहा जाता है, इन्हें महात्मा गांधी को। एंड एवरीवन कॉल्ड हिम आल्सो बापू, और क्या बुलाया जाता था, बापू भी बुलाया जाता था। ओके, इन्हें बापू भी कहा जाता है एंड फादर ऑफ नेशन भी कहा जाता है। नेक्स्ट आई टोल्ड टू यू अबाउट पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू। ओके, पंडित जवाहरलाल Nehru. Okay, so Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, it is also a special name, and he was the first Prime Minister of India. Okay, first Prime Minister of India. First Prime Minister of India. Okay, he was the first Prime Minister of India. Who is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is also a special name, and he was the first Prime Minister of India. Okay, let me see some other example. Okay, now what is your Hindi teacher name? Yes, what is your Hindi teacher name? May your Hindi teacher name is Rakhi. Okay, so Rakhi is also a special name. May your Hindi teacher name is Rakhi. Okay, your Rakhi ma'am is your Hindi teacher, so Rakhi is also a special name. May your EVS teacher name is Khushbu, so Khushbu is also a special name. Okay, may your EVS teacher name is Khushbu, so Khushbu is also a special name. Okay, so these are the persons. These are the persons. Okay, these are the persons, and each and every one has a particular name, a special name. It means these are special names. And one thing also, you know, students, special name is also called proper noun. Okay, it is also called proper noun. Okay, so special names are also called proper nouns. Okay, so you can say special names, or you can say proper nouns. Okay, now let me see places name. Next one is places name. Places. What is place? Where we live, where we have to go. These all are places. Places क्या होते हैं? जहाँ हम रहते हैं, जहाँ हम जाते हैं, घूमने जाते हैं, खेलने जाते हैं, ओके, विजिट करने जाते हैं, प्ले करने जाते हैं, वर्शिप करने जाते हैं। एटलीस्ट दीज ऑल आर कॉल्ड प्लेसेस। आप वर्शिप करने कहाँ जाते हो? टेम्पल में जाते हो, दिस प्लेस। ओके, एंड प्ले करने कहाँ जाते हो? पार्क, इट इज ऑल्सो प्लेस। स्टडी करने कहाँ आते हो? स्कूल, इट इज ऑल्सो प्लेस। ओके, sometimes we visit to another place. May you have to go to see Lal Killa. Okay, Lal Killa, it means Red Fort in Hindi, Lal Killa, or in English you can say Red Fort. Okay, so Red Fort, where is it? It is in Delhi. It is in Delhi. So Red Fort, it is also place. Delhi, it is also place. And in which country do we live? India, it is also place. Okay, in which city do you live? Jaipur, it is also place. In which state do you live? Rajasthan, it is also place. So these all are called place. We can take some other example. We all live in house to protect ourselves. Okay, and in our house also particular room. Dining room, kitchen, bathroom. Okay, in every one house there is a particular place also. It's a dining room, it's a bathroom, it's a kitchen, whatever is that. Okay, these all are called places. These all are called places. So I hope you must have understood what is place. Place, where do we live, or where do we visit to see something, to know about something, that is called places. उन्हें हम places कहते हैं. Now let me see some other example. Okay, so I can write down here school. So our school name is Rawat Public School. Rawat Public School. Rawat Public School. It is a special name of school. It is a special name of school. You can write down here St. Mary. St. Mary School. Okay, St. Mary School. So it is also a special name of place. Now you see what is this? Yes, you can see there is a map. And which map is this? This is our India. Okay, so this is the map of our India. So in the world our India looks like. हमारी इंडिया कैसी दिखती है? ऐसी दिखती है. दिस इज कॉल्ड अ मैप. इसे हम क्या कहेंगे? मैप कहेंगे. हमारी इंडिया का कितना लवली सा हमारी इंडिया का जो है वो पिक्चर है. सो इंडिया इज ऑल्सो अ प्लेस. इंडिया इज ऑल्सो अ प्लेस एंड इंडिया इज अ स्पेशल नेम ऑफ कंट्री. ओके, इन विच कंट्री डू वी लिव? वी लिव इन इंडिया एंड दिस इज आवर इंडिया. And India is a special name of country and it is a place. Okay, it is a place. And in which state do we live? We live in Rajasthan. So see, this area is Rajasthan and in this area do we live. हम यहाँ रहते हैं. ये हमारा राजस्थान. And see, here is okay, see, here is Delhi. Okay, here is Delhi. Okay, here is Delhi. Do you know about Delhi? Delhi is the capital of India. Do you know about Delhi? Delhi is the capital of India. Okay, and Delhi is also a special name and Delhi is also a place. Delhi is a place, India is a place, Rajasthan is a place, Jaipur is a place. Okay, and these all are special names. इन सभी के special name हैं. So we can identify if someone is asking with you in which country do you live. So you can speak in India. Okay, in which country do you live? In India. So now this time you are able to give answer. मैं इंडिया में रहती हूँ. So this is our India. Okay. Delhi, it is also a special name. Okay, and what is the capital of India? India की capital क्या है हमारी? Students, Delhi है. Okay, Delhi. It is also your GK question. So learn it. Okay. So what is the capital of India? It is Delhi. And in which state do we live? We live in Rajasthan. And what is the capital of Rajasthan? Yes. In which city now do we live? Jaipur. So Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Okay. So Rajasthan, it's also a special name of place. India, it's also a special name of place. Delhi, it's also a special name of place. Now I'm going to show you some different thing. See, what is this? Which picture is this? Yes, this is Red Fort. Red Fort and Hindi you can say Lal Killa. I think in Hindi your Hindi ma'am also read about that Lal Killa. Okay, because there was a story I heard. Okay, मैंने सुना था आपके हिंदी बुक में ऐसी स्टोरी थी लाल किला. Okay, so this is a Red Fort and it is in Hindi you can say Lal Killa. And where is it? Yes, it is in Delhi. Okay, where is it? कहाँ पर है ये? It is in Delhi. Okay, it is in Delhi. So this is the picture of Red Fort. This is the picture of Red Fort. So Red Fort is also a place and it's also a special name of place. It's also a special name of place. So Red Fort, it's also a special name of place and where is it? It is in Delhi. And in Hindi you can say Lal Killa. And students, one thing you tell me more. Have you heard about Hawa Mahal? आपने हवा महल के बारे में सुना है? I थिंक सभी ने सुना होगा एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स हैव सीन ऑल्सो हवा महल. वेयर इज इट? ओके, हैव यू सीन? नो? ओके, नाउ जस्ट आई एम शोइंग यू. Okay, so now let you see, this is the picture of Hawa Mahal. Okay, this is the picture of Hawa Mahal and where is it? Yes, it is in Jaipur. And where is it? It is in Jaipur. So students, Hawa Mahal is also a special name. Okay, Hawa Mahal is also a special name and it is the special name of place. It is the special name of place. Okay, so Hawa Mahal is also a name of place and it is also a special name. And where is it? It is in Jaipur. So I hope students you must understand, you must have understand about the special name of place. Okay students, so what we have seen the map of India and then New Delhi. Okay, New Delhi, and New Delhi is the capital of India. New Delhi is the capital of India. Okay, India की capital क्या है आपकी? New Delhi. Okay, New Delhi is the capital of India. So India is also a special name. New Delhi is also a special name. Okay, we have seen Rajasthan also. Okay, Rajasthan. Okay, Rajasthan. It is also a special name. Okay, so if someone is asking with you, tell me now in which state do you live? So you will say now easily we live in Rajasthan state. Rajasthan state. And in which city do you live? We live in Jaipur. Okay. We have seen also Red Fort. Red Fort. It is also a special name of place. And where is it? It is in Delhi. It is in Delhi. Okay, Red Fort. And you have seen also Hawa Mahal. It is also a special name of place. And where is it? It is in Jaipur. Where is it? It is in Jaipur. Okay. Okay students, so I have written in bracket. So as you know, as you learn very easily where this monument situated. Okay, where this monument situated. Okay, so Red Fort, it is also in Delhi and Hawa Mahal, it is in Delhi. So these are the special name of places. Rawat Public School, St. Mary's School, India, New Delhi, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Red Fort, Hawa Mahal. So these are the special names of places. So I hope now this time you have must understood about that.